Look at the big ship, guys. Look at that. That's a big cigarette. Yeah, cigarette. Cigarette. This ship. I'm gonna say.
She bought me a thing of fudge round and a thing of
That's pretty thing is long. Holy mackerel.
That's still going. Holy
Wow.
Yeah, it's gonna go
Jesus.
to Lake Ontario.
I mean,
That's why it's so cold here.
yeah, the beautiful ocean, lake, whatever it is. Whatever this is. Nice boat. They got a great theme on it. Nice boat. The big boat is coming. The big boat is coming. Look at that boat over there. Look at that boat. There's a green black boat. Then there's a cop boat, I think. Firefighter or cop boat. I don't know yet. It's coming though. Nope, that's not it. It's right here. No, somebody's rich. I don't know. You never know. Yeah, you got a small boat behind it. That's a nice boat, though. Look at this long boat, guys. A big boat. He's gonna beep, honk, whatever he's gonna do, he's gonna scale the crap out of me. A big long ship. I think it's Canada or China. It has a flag on it. Big boat. Oh, nice boat. Big boat too. He's gonna honk. Come out. Oh, it's on. Look at this long boat, guys. A big boat. He's gonna beep, honk, whatever he's gonna do, he's gonna scale the crap out of me. A big long ship. I think it's Canada or China. It has a flag on it. Big boat. Oh, nice boat. Big boat too. He's gonna honk. Come out. Oh, it's on. Another water guys over here. And another big boat coming in. Can't see. Yeah, boat over there going. Another boat over there probably fishing. Another boat over there.
That's the top right there.
There's Canada boat.
New York State Police.
Another big boat, guys.
here for 9 hours. For this? Sorry, kill a dog.
Whoa. That drone's up there, guys. A drone. See it? I think you see it. I don't know.
I always like that one, but go back to the castle. Sorry. I'm ready. At least they're not as loud. Where's Casey?
We didn't really in. You want to lay down? You want to bump your head?
Oh, is she sleeping?
Wow, I smell that.
Wow, something smells like freaking rotten eggs.
See? By my house.